Hello everyone. Welcome to this tutorial. I will teach you how to unlock the premium version of the Flutter apps, using the patcher in just 1 to 2 minutes. Before starting, make sure you have Termux, MT Manager, and Python installed on Android. Also, first download the Flutter app you want to modify. If you're ready, let's get started. But remember, this tutorial is for education only, not for illegal purposes. Finally, rebuild the APK. In MT Manager, click Sign APK to re-sign with the new key. Install the reconstructed APK on your Android. Open the app and check it out. Premium features have been unlocked, lifetime access is active, no ads. Try testing all the premium features, they should all be free to use. Well, that's how to unlock the premium Flutter app using a patcher. It's really easy. If you have questions, write in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more modding tutorials. But remember, this tutorial is for education only. Buy the official premium if you appreciate the developer. Thank you, and see you soon.